Hello everyone, it's Creamy and Tina.
Hi.
Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's just having a splendid day and that you're in the best of health.
Yes, with health as always being most important. So we just wanted to do a little video to tell you how you can help others in the Dominican Republic. But before we do that, we want to give you a little update on all of you that were just so kind and just so generous in helping with Ricardo Pierce and his family during his battle with his stage 4 cancer. Unfortunately, recently we have been in contact with his wife, Angie, and we found out that his counts haven't been that great, but we want you guys to keep him in your prayers and in your thoughts so that he can continue to fight this and go through his chemotherapy
and radiation treatments that he's dealing with right now. And again, I would like to say a special thanks for all those that dig deep into your pockets right away. We raised quite a bit of money, and we just appreciate all those that took time out and had a caring heart, because that's one of the main reasons that brought us to the island in the first place. Not just for ourselves,
right,
but also to bless others and to pour into other people's lives. Whether it's a child, whether it's an adult, or whether who may be, we came here with the mindset of giving back and being a blessing to others.
Yes, and definitely being here, we know that there is a big need because, like we've said in another video, there isn't a welfare system established in the country to help all of the impoverished people, especially those in the outlying areas and the elderly. So what we found is Jopayame.com. And it's one of the first online fundraising platforms for poverty and emergency causes in the Dominican Republic. They reach everywhere. Here we have their Instagram, so you can take a look. So we're gonna put right here the link so that you can go to the internet and see for yourself. And also they have an app, so if you're wondering, how can I give, how can I help? The great thing about it is there's different methods of pay, straight to the banks or through good old PayPal. And I think that's so beautiful. I think that a nonprofit through the entire island, that just shows you really how the Dominican spirit just really bonds, and they have that need to take care of each other. No matter if they're family, they're family. You know what I'm saying? Like, they don't have to be blood to be family. They're all, you know, in the struggle together. And it's been supported hugely by just an array of people on the island and those that have gone away and still have family and concerns and wanting to help the island even when they're away at work or moved away. It's been supported by chefs, local and away, politicians, Diario Libre, the online and news source that I always tell you guys to tune into, artists, restaurateurs, local businesses. And I'm telling you, the outreach is crazy because I was reading, because every need says the amount that they need. Remember I told you that? And I'm doing the conversion because I'm like, that's not a lot of money. And some of them were as little as like $100. I think the biggest need I saw was maybe $3,000. And I was like, that's not a lot. Like the need is so great for those people, and the gratitude for those that receive it is so huge, you know, because you've just impacted and changed someone's life. You changed a family's life. And for just such a small amount of money, I said to you yesterday, I said, I feel like the most ungrateful, selfish person in the world for even saying how much I dare to spend. Like, and that's the thing that everybody needs to get, that you come here, and we get a lot of people like that. So thank you, because I think we have amazing viewers and subscribers. Yes, we get some people who come and visit and say, I love this place and I embrace the culture and I want to live here, and how can I help? And they're like, oh, where can I come and, you know, donate my time and this and that, my money? And I'm like, listen, always go to an accredited source. At least this is an accredited source.
Right.
All the money is accounted for. It is, you know, dictated out to the greatest need. And they don't just do one city. They do, like I said, the entire island. And just the impact that you guys can make is just amazing. And to think that you guys would even want to help is just amazing. So again, we'll have the link and I'm going to have a little bit of the app at the end of this video so that you guys can see the app, and then you can decide if you'd like to help out like that.
Right. And like she said, a lot of you have asked, how can we help? We got a lot of kids here on this island that's in dire need, dire straits.
Medical,
and whether
huge
it's medical or whatever it may be. And I'm so glad that we do still sponsor a child that we've been sponsoring for over 2 years now.
We've been sponsoring her for 4 years.
Okay, for 4 years. I forget.
Yeah.
Because you know what? When the money comes out automatically every month, I don't miss it. But God is steady blessing me. So I know where God brought me from, and I'm just saying it just leaves just a blessed feeling when you can just reach out, reach down, help somebody that's going through. Because you know what? You never know when it might be your turn. God forbid, but you never know when things may happen and that you need some extra funds in your pocket.
Yes, so again, we're going to have a little short clip after this video. So again, you always want to stick with an accredited source. You always want to do your due diligence, but this really is a great cause. So now you've seen the video, you've seen the app, and you've seen the website, and hopefully you will be moved to give.
Right. So, in the meantime, between time, always remember that life is to be enjoyed.
Yes, always make sure to hit that subscribe, hit notifications, always give this and all videos a thumbs up, because hitting subscribe and hitting that thumbs up is the free and easy way to patron the channel. And remember, as always, all information is underneath every video. So if you're thinking about getting that one-on-one consultation, or you want to become a member, or just say thanks by hitting that happy hour button.
So, until the next video, peace.